Hello everyone, my name is Damien from DKBrickStudios, and today I'll be showing you how to be building my X-Wing from Rogue One, a Star Wars story. But before we get into that, please let me roll that intro and then we'll get started, shall we? Let's! Alrighty, so here we are, and here it is, my X-Wing from Rogue One, a Star Wars story. So if you have not seen my mock spotlight, go check that out. That is in the card section, that is in the cards, along with some other goodies for you to check out. But without further ado, let's take a look at the views, and then we'll get started, shall we? Let's. So we have the front view, the back view, the left view, the right view, the bottom view, and of course the top view. No, I want the camera. So yeah, we're gonna get building, and yeah, shall we? Let's. So first we're gonna need a plate 1x4, plate 1x3, 1x2, and a 1x2. Oh my goodness, sorry. How many 1x2s do we need? Okay, I just wanted to be. I thought I said like 4 1x2s or something like that. My bad. Silly me. A lot going on in mine right now, folks, but hey, I'm making sure I can keep it under control. Alrighty, so next step we need a 1x4 and a 1x2 plate modified grill. That and let me just as you can see here, as I add parts, the parts will be added into there, and as I continue on, if you get lost, please, you can consult there, and you can be able to know what parts you'll be needing. So there, that's what that should look like. So step 3, we need a plate 1x2 and a cheese slope clear 1x1. And yeah, now we're on to step 4. We need a plate 1x1 modified. 2 of these modified. The clips. Get the name. I can look here. Plate modified 1x2 with handle on sides. And a 2x2. So the 1x2. These 1x2s. And the plate 1x2. So we need 2 1x2s and more of those. Now we need a grill, that, and the droid. I'm pretty much just going to grab all the parts from here. And you can make the droid whatever color you want. I'm going to make it, let's see here, purple. Why not? Make a purple, use a purple bullet stud, whatever. I don't care right now. I'm just happy I have a purple droid. Okay, we need to add these clips. So we'll need to add those. Now we'll just be, I'm going to kind of guess the next set of steps. Oh, well, there. We're going to pretty much finish out the wing here. So we'll need another set of clips, these blue 1x1, 1x2 grills, these 1x2 winglets, and these lightsaber bars in gray. Figured I'd get them all out of the way right now to make our life a little easier. Because I know I just did 4 on each thing. But they're all, I figured I might as well just make life a little easier for us so we don't have to keep jumping back and forth for each step. Alright? Like that. That should look like that so far. We just need one more thing. Run. Lightsaber here, here, and here. So that's what that should look like. Now we need to add the engines, so I'm gonna fill all that up. So because it's pretty much the same part. Here. So we need one on each piece. God, this is gonna be a pain, isn't it? Not. Like that. They should be all the way up. I'll show you what I mean. And we need 2 on each one on the back. Okay, so they need to be they need to be on the bar as close as possible. On these model, as you can see, there's a gap between this and that. There should not be a gap. But I'm not going to fight this thing. I don't want to go fighting it. So, yeah. So, we need 4 gray 1x1s. Round. And now we'll need 4 dark pink, trans dark pink 1x1s. And there we go, you're excellent from Rogue One, a Star Wars story. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I actually enjoyed making this. So yeah, this is Dean from DKBrickStudios signing off. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please check out all my socials. Links to those are in the description down below. Please follow. Please check my friends' novel Rise. Link to that in the description down below. Please comment down below what models you would like to see here on the channel. I would be happy to build them for you guys. So yeah, this is Danny from DKBrickStudios. Signing off. Remember, may the Force and the Force of others be with you always. I'll see you all in the next video. Chasing the dark from the night. Trust in your feelings and find a new hope. Take your best shot and let go.